Hi guys, Sppd here. Tonight I'm going to try and SPP for you a Union Assa Abloy padlock. Here's the bitting on the key. Nice strange one. Some highs and lows on that. Almost looks like a blank, doesn't it? Nice build quality. Lovely lock. Proper sturdy made. And listen to this. Now that is one very strong spring. Listen again. So it's exceedingly exceedingly strong spring on that one. So this one's been in my naughty bucket for a while now, and I think the main problem with it has been my tensioning. As the keyway, not overly tight, but not the easiest one in the world. And I've just been having no tension on it. And this is the turn on the cord with loads of tension. Ready for this? Nothing. Absolutely sweet FA. So I decided to go really light. Literally just place my thumb on there, that much. And then try and find the binding pin on it, which I think is 2 to start off with. Then onto, probably saw a bit of a turn on the cord there. Then onto pin 1, I think it is. Then pin 3, I think. Then jump back to pin 5. Check that I've got all these right. Bit more on 2. Bit on 3. Got 5. Sorry, you're not seeing anything, are you? Sort of done my usual cuddling the camera as I'm doing this. And then it's slightest touch on pin 4, I think. And it should. He says. Bear in mind, this is one of my naughty bucket ones, so it's a pain in the backside for me. And there we go. It was literally just catch the top of it. And there we have it. Picked. So the Union Assa Abloy padlock picked open, and for me that's a result, because this has been a pain in my backside for ages. So I'll show it back in working order. Key back in. So thanks for watching guys. Sppd out.